Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Dawn breaks over the Somali coast, where Africa meets the Indian Ocean. The waves greet the sunrise, echoing centuries of history and trade. Dhows glide across the water, their sails catching the same winds that brought traders from Arabia and India. Somalia's lifeblood is the sea, a source of sustenance, commerce, and culture. This coastline has shaped the Somali spirit, resilient, adaptive, and deeply connected to nature. From bustling ports to quiet fishing villages, the ocean's influence is everywhere. As the sun rises, it reveals a land of legends, inviting us to discover the true heart of this coastal nation. Somalia boasts Africa's longest mainland coastline, over 3,300 kilometers of dramatic beauty. White sand dunes near Hobyo meet turquoise waters, while northern cliffs plunge into the Gulf of Aden. Inland, the Jubba and Shabelle Rivers carve green ribbons through arid plains, sustaining farms and communities. The Guban and Haud regions stretch endlessly, home to nomads who master the land's rhythms. In the highlands near Hargeisa, rocky hills hide Laas Geel, ancient rock art overlooking dry riverbeds. These landscapes are more than geography. They shape Somali identity and resilience. The land's contrasts foster independence and adaptation. Somalia's geography is a living force, etching its story into every stone and river. In northern Somalia, Laas Geel's caves reveal Africa's oldest rock art, vivid, ancient, and mysterious. Painted over 5,000 years ago, these images show cattle with ornate necks, humans in ritual poses, and wild animals. The art's colors remain bright, preserved by the dry climate and sheltering rocks. Laas Geel offers a rare glimpse into a Neolithic world where livestock were revered and rituals flourished. Its discovery reshaped our understanding of the Horn of Africa's ancient cultures. The site's mysteries endure, inviting wonder and speculation about the people who created these masterpieces. Laas Geel stands as a silent testament to Somalia's deep, artistic past. Mogadishu, Somalia's capital, is often called the White Pearl of the Indian Ocean, a city where history and modern life collide in a dazzling display. Its coastline shimmers under the sun, and the city's skyline rises proudly above the turquoise waters, hinting at centuries of stories waiting to be discovered. In the heart of Mogadishu lies Hamar Wain, where ancient stone buildings and winding, narrow alleys echo with the footsteps of generations. Here, every corner tells a tale of bustling trade, vibrant markets, and the rich cultural exchange that has shaped the city for centuries. The harbor, alive with activity, bustles with traditional dhows and colorful fishing boats. These vessels have long connected Mogadishu to distant shores, weaving the city into the fabric of maritime history and sustaining its people through the bounty of the sea. Along the waterfront, fishermen mend their nets with practiced hands, while lively markets overflow with the day's fresh catch. The air is thick with the scent of spices, mingling with the salty breeze, creating a sensory tapestry unique to Mogadishu's vibrant daily life. Landmarks like the centuries-old Fakhr ad-Din Mosque and the iconic Al-Manara Lighthouse stand as proud reminders of Mogadishu's golden age. These historic sites are not just relics, they are living symbols of faith, guidance, and the city's enduring legacy. Among the ruins, children laugh and play, their voices echoing through the remnants of the past. New buildings rise alongside ancient walls, a striking contrast that speaks to Mogadishu's ongoing journey of recovery and transformation. Despite the challenges faced over the years, the city pulses with resilience and hope. Its people move forward with determination, weaving their dreams into the fabric of everyday life. Bajaj taxis weave through the busy streets, carrying passengers past bustling shops and lively markets. Young people gather in outdoor cafes, sharing stories and aspirations, dreaming of a brighter future for themselves and their city. Mogadishu is more than just a capital. It's a living symbol of Somali spirit, unity and renewal. Its sunsets paint the city in golden hues, reflecting the optimism and pride of its people. Here, the past and present live side by side, shaping a vibrant, enduring city that continues to inspire all who walk its storied streets. Somalia's people are a vibrant tapestry of nomads, fishers and farmers, each community uniquely shaped by the land and the sea, and by centuries of tradition and adaptation. Nomadic pastoralists roam the vast plains with their camels, goats and sheep, guided by ancient knowledge passed down through generations. Their lives are defined by movement, resilience, and a deep connection to the rhythms of the land. Along the endless coastline, fishing communities rise and rest with the tides, their daily routines bound to the ocean's rhythms. The sea provides both sustenance and identity, shaping the culture of those who call the coast home. In the fertile south, riverine farmers cultivate bananas, maize, and mangoes along the life-giving banks of the Jubba and Shabelle Rivers. These green corridors are a source of abundance, supporting families and entire communities. Each lifestyle is distinct, yet all are interconnected through bustling markets, trade, and shared traditions. Here, goods and stories are exchanged, weaving together the fabric of Somali society. Nomads bring livestock to market, fishers sell their catch inland, and farmers supply crops to the nation. These exchanges are vital, ensuring that every community has what it needs to thrive. This intricate web of exchange sustains Somali society, fostering resilience, adaptability, and a sense of unity across diverse regions. The camel is a symbol of wealth and endurance, revered by nomads for its strength and ability to survive in harsh conditions. The sea, a source of identity and livelihood, inspires songs, stories, and a spirit of adventure. The river, a cradle of abundance, nourishes the land and the people who depend on its waters. Together, these communities create a culture rooted in resourcefulness, unity, and mutual support, drawing strength from their shared environment. Their adaptability is the secret to thriving in a challenging land, where survival depends on ingenuity and cooperation. Somalia's diversity is its strength, woven from the resources of land and sea, and from the enduring spirit of its people. Somali cuisine is a flavorful journey through history, blending spices from ancient trade routes. Dishes like spiced rice with lamb and raisins reflect this fusion, often served with sweet banana. Street food thrives. Pastries and fritters fill markets with enticing aromas. The ritual of sweet spiced tea anchors social life, offered in homes and bustling cafes. Markets like Bakara in Mogadishu pulse with color, scent, and community. Here, food is more than sustenance. It's a celebration of culture and connection. Somali flavors tell stories of resilience, hospitality, and shared heritage. Somalia's economy and society are bound to its waters, the Indian Ocean and the Jubba and Shabelle Rivers. Major ports like Mogadishu and Berbera drive trade, exporting livestock and connecting Somalia to the world. The fishing industry sustains coastal communities with rich catches of tuna, lobster, and kingfish. Inland river valleys are the nation's breadbasket, yielding bananas, maize, and sesame. These waterways enable settled agriculture and vibrant trade networks. The sea and rivers link diverse communities, fostering interdependence and exchange. Ancient trade routes still shape daily life, weaving Somalia's regions into a resilient whole. Water is the thread that unites the nation's economy, culture, and people. Somalia's landscapes teem with life, from coastal dunes to arid interiors. Hardy grasses and shrubs stabilize dunes, while sea turtles and seabirds thrive along the shore. Acacia, frankincense, and myrrh trees define the interior, their resilience legendary. Wildlife like the Somali wild ass and Speke's gazelle survive in harsh grasslands. In the south, hyenas and warthogs roam bushlands. Conservation is growing, protecting coral reefs, mangroves, and endangered species. Somalia's nature is a hidden gem, subtle, resilient, and vital to its story. Preserving these wild spaces ensures their beauty endures for generations. Somalia is a land of stories, where the wind whispers ancient secrets and the horizon stretches with promise. Here, every dune and wave holds a piece of a grand narrative, shaped by centuries of adventure, trade, and tradition. To visit is to look beyond headlines and discover a place where profound history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty intertwine. Wander Mogadishu's ancient alleys, where echoes of the past meet the energy of today, and marvel at the mysterious rock art of Laas Geel, painted thousands of years ago and still vibrant with color and meaning. Sip sweet Shah with welcoming locals, sharing laughter and stories under the open sky. Experience endless white sands that stretch along the coast, inviting you to relax and reflect, and witness the wisdom of people living in harmony with the land. Herders guiding camels, farmers tending crops, and fishermen casting nets at dawn. Somalia invites the curious to witness its spirit, one that is authentic, resilient, and deeply human. Explore ancient ruins that tell tales of empires, bustling markets alive with color and sound, and stark deserts that reveal the raw beauty of the Horn of Africa. Meet people whose warmth, hospitality, and resilience leave a lasting impression on every traveler. The white pearl of the Indian Ocean awaits those ready to discover its untold legend, a journey of wonder, connection, and unforgettable memories.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.